All right. What we like to finish the show up with is something we call the Whissel Widget of the week. This is something that we're utilizing in our business to either help us make more money, save us time, or just generally have more fun. I sneak peeked mine. Hopefully, people didn't catch it, but I'll let you kick it off, Brian.
So my widget, it actually came about from a conversation I had with a guy via text message. We were chatting about. He said, "Hey, what camera should I get? I'm going to do video." And I said, don't buy a camera right now. Use your phone. Get started with that." And we kept talking. And I said, "Look, it's all about the lighting." And what I decided is I sent him a link to something on Amazon, and I liked it so much I bought it myself. It's a way to hold your phone steady while making sure you get really, really, really pretty light. This is prettier light than your ring light. This is prettier light than a big soft box. This is a prettier light than a $200 light you're going to get from Amazon. And so what you do is it's just this little suction cup phone holder. And what you do is you suction cup it up against a big window, a sliding glass door. You guys all have some sort of light source if you're working from home. I would hope you have a window somewhere. But you suction this cup up against the window, put your phone right here and talk into it. You're going to get really, really nice light. And what I recommend is just make sure the sun isn't shining directly onto you. So make sure you're in the shade, so to speak, looking directly into this nice big window, and you're going to have gorgeous light, really great to do Facebook Lives. You stand 1.5 feet, 2 feet away from it. Your audio is going to be great. The only thing you really have to worry about is your background. But this thing here is $9. I was talking to this guy, his name is Jose, and I was like, "You should buy this, blah, blah." And then I finally said, for $9, I'm going to buy it. Like, I don't need it, but there's going to be a time where I need it. And it was $9. It was awesome.
I love it. All right, guys. Mine is, if you know me, I like to do things a little differently and outside the box. So I also like to give my team props when they do an amazing job with things. And so there's a service out there where you can pay celebrities, or in this case, celebrity impersonators, money to say pretty much anything you want them to say. So there's especially reality stars, because those guys, a lot of times they get their 15 minutes of fame and then they go broke afterwards. You could find virtually every reality star ever, maybe not the A-list reality stars, but the BCs, DZs, and Fs, all those guys. You can find them on Cameo, which is this killer service where you pay people money and they will say damn near anything you want. So this is
real quick before you go there, some of their featured people right now, Sean Austin from Lord of the Rings, Jim O'Hare, he is Gary from Parks and Rec, the Soup Nazi. So, but because this is also primarily a podcast, Kyle, before you hit play, make sure you explain what we're seeing here. But also be cautious because this is recorded and audio. So I want to see how you juggle this. So explain what people are going to see and hear before you play.
So if you're just listening to the podcast right now and you want to see this video that I'm about to play, you will hear it. But if you want to see this video, you'll just want to subscribe to the podcast and go to thewhisselway.com and you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. And that's where you can see this video on there. What you're about to hear, or those of you who can see, is a impersonator who is impersonating Joe Exotic, who is the lead character in the hottest documentary in history known as Tiger King. And I'm just going to let this thing rip. But this was a unique way to give a shout out to my team for doing a good job.
Hey, Whissel Realty Group. It's me, Joe Exotic, a.k.a. the Tiger King, the gay gunslinging redneck with a mullet. And I hear that you all live in San Diego. I have never been there myself. I'm more of a southern kind of girl. But I hear that some of you agents are killing it, just like Carol Baskins killed her husband and has not been charged for, and also that I am in prison for attempting to kill Carol Baskins. But we'll get back to that later. But I would like to give a special shout out to the top 3 agents, Jared, Matt, and Keith. Sounds like my husband number 4, 5, and 6. So you guys can slide into my DM, boys. But I also would like to tell you that to keep encouraging you to send videos to your clients and maybe even send them this video now that you're the top 3 top 3 agents at Whissel Realty Group. And I'm going to thank Kyle so much for booking the Joe Exotic on the cameo because my Netflix money hasn't hit yet and I need to go buy some ramen and commissary. Also, I need to go to the salon and get my hair straightened because the water here makes it curly. But I wish you all good quarantine, and Matt, Keith, and Jared, you know where to find me on Instagram. My DMs are open. Love the Tiger King.
So that is a cameo. So you could do them to be funny. I've seen people use them to get endorsements. You can do all kinds of fun stuff with it. But that was a way to give our team a shout out and just put a little smile on their face, right? Like we could all use a smile while we're quarantined right now. So that is cameo.com. You can jump on that. I think I got cameo.kylewhissel.com. We'll give you like $5 off if you want to get one. Cameo.kylewhissel.com. So that's what we got for you guys today on the show. If you have questions that you want us to answer on a future episode of the show, you can always go to thewhisselway.com. You can join our Facebook group, which is where you want to ask those questions. You can also subscribe to the podcast, our YouTube channel, find out about upcoming events like our Media Mayor Mastermind that we have going on. That is the best place to get connected with us. I want to thank you guys so much for checking out the show today. Bryan, any parting words?
I can't wait for this all to be over. I want to be back in person. I want to be back shooting video, not just in the computer editing. So I'm really excited to get back up and running, and hopefully our next Media Mayor Mastermind soon.
All right. We'll see you guys later. Thanks for tuning in. Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.